Hey guys, it's Crystal Renee here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for joining. Hey guys, it's me Crystal and I'm back with another video. Today in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I haven't did an unboxing in a while, but today I was lucky enough to have a fellow YouTuber. She goes by the name of Allie Plants here on YouTube. You guys go over to her channel, check her out and say hello. I reached out to Allie inquiring about a plant swap due to the fact my collection is nowhere near you all's. Although I already had all the plants she had in her collection, she was still nice enough to give me an offer. She said, how about I still send you the plants and you just pay for the shipping? And I was like, really? Really? And she was like, yeah. And I was like, alrighty, that's so sweet. So she did just that. She mailed them out to me. They got here fairly quick. And I am here now about to open the package. This is what the package looked like. I won't turn it all the way around because I don't want to show anybody's address. And she looks like she packaged it well. So let's unbox it. I'm excited. I know what I asked for. I was interested in 3 different plants that she had. So I'm not sure if she sent all 3 or just 1. I'm not sure. Whatever it is, I'm still excited and I'm happy for it to be here. So let me just get this knife here. Be careful. I'm just gonna cut it along the top here, I believe. Woo! Have to be careful when you're cutting open these boxes now. You guys, I'm so excited. Okay. Looks like it's packaged pretty well. If you guys can see that. She has it wrapped up in tissue paper. If you guys hear my kids in the background, they are home, so I apologize. Okay. I don't want to open this the wrong way. Okay, this is the right side up. Looks like she have it in an egg carton. Okay, gonna set this to the side. Take off the top. This is what she had on top. Wow. Guys, first thing first, I think she sent everything that I asked for. I'm not sure, I can't really tell. I think she did. You guys, do you know what this is? She sent me some Cebu Blue. Oh my gosh. And it's growing a new leaf. I have to quickly get this into some soil. I'm not sure if they have roots or not, if they're rooted. But if not, I will have to definitely root them. But look at that, guys. Oh, thank you, Allie. Oh my gosh. Next we have is some philodendron Brazil. Look at that, it has a little baby on it. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not, but it has a little baby. And look at the variegation on that leaf. Oh my gosh. I'm staring at it because I am so happy to have this cutting of it. Thank you again, Allie. I'm probably gonna be saying thank you all throughout this video because I'm so happy. And last but not least, she sent me some philodendron micans. Look at that. She was so thoughtful. Every leaf, every cutting that she sent had a new baby growing on it. What more can a girl wish for? Allie, you're the best. My camera looks like it's gonna die. But you are the best. Oh my gosh. And I believe that is it. Yes, that is it. Allie, if you're watching this video, thank you so much. I really appreciate each and every cutting that you sent me. And I promise I'm going to do my best to take the best of care of them. And again, thank you so, so much. Once I get these babies propagating or potted up, I'm not sure which one I have to do because I'm not sure if they have roots or not. She didn't let me know if they were rooted or if they were just cuttings. So from the looks of it, I am going to have to water propagate these cuttings that Allie sent me. And it worked out because I just stopped by my local thrift store and picked up a few things. I picked up this little jar for 69 cents. I thought it would be cute to propagate small short cuttings in. I also picked this one up for 69 cents. I thought that would be perfect for propagating. I picked this little one up for 99 cents from my local Goodwill as well. And I picked this guy up. I thought it was adorable for 99 cents. Can you believe it? I can propagate a lot of things in this. So, yes, this is what I'll be using to propagate the cuttings I received from Allie. I'm not sure which container I'm gonna place them in, but I will give you guys some footage once they're in their new home. So, I decided to put this one in here, a small one. She actually gave me 2 cuttings of the Brazil. So I put the smaller one in this little vase here. It has a few roots on it, but I'm just gonna let it grow a little bit more roots before I plant it up in soil. And the other 3, I put them all into this little one here. I'm excited, guys. And as you can see, some of them already have a little bit of root on them. I think the Brazil, the Micans and the Sea Blue didn't have any roots, so hopefully it roots up for me. Thank you so much again, Allie. I really appreciate you, girl. You just don't understand. Thank you. Thank you all for watching. And until next time, happy growing. Bye. Hey, before you go, please follow me on all my social media platforms. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, happy growing. Bye.